Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, October 7th, 2018. On the 6th, there was a magnitude 6.0 earthquake in northern Haiti at a depth of 7.8 kilometers, causing injuries and damage to buildings and infrastructure. Also on the 6th, the aviation color has been raised to red at the Monum volcano in Papua New Guinea after a powerful eruption ejected a column of ash 8.5 kilometers above the crater. The Tbrat volcano in Iceland has expanded by 10 million cubic meters, and more than 50 earthquakes have been recorded since the first in the surrounding volcanic area. Experts say the mountain has been unusually active this year and believe this is due to an influx of magma into the magma chamber at the roots of the volcano. Tbrat is part of the volcanic Öræfajökull glacier, which is the largest active volcano in Iceland and has had only 2 recorded eruptions in history, one in 1362 and one in 1728. A G2 geomagnetic storm watch has been issued starting on the 7th due to the arrival of positive polarity high-speed solar wind from a large coronal hole on the sun. This will increase the likelihood of experiencing elevated seismic and volcanic activity. On the 6th, heavy rains brought torrential flooding to Tegucigalpa, Honduras, turning streets into rivers full of trash and debris. So far, 60 families have been relocated, and many more are in danger, as giant cracks continue to form and grow in Boyaca, Colombia. So far, the cracks have affected over 1,200 acres, and may force the relocation of several communities. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.